And I think Ädelbrook really, I don't want to use the word saved our family, but in a way I think they did.
I think that here at Ädelbrook we have a tremendous leadership team that really fosters a team environment and community, and I think it really pushes us to be the best version of ourselves and ultimately work towards the goal that is independence for these young adults.
Welcome to Ädelbrook.
I'm a teacher support specialist, and I think my favorite thing is being able to give kids their lesson plans and just looking back from when they first started and seeing how much they've improved, whether it's on better penmanship or learning how to count money or doing math problems by themselves. It just gives, like, it shows me that I know, like, what I'm doing is beneficial to them, and I'm being able to help them grow to be a young adult, and they're gonna take it somewhere after they graduate. Every day what we do with them impacts them, whether it be in this moment or the next day or in their future.
My favorite things about the ATA are my peers. We laugh, we have fun, but we also work and have a blast working.
So we have students here that are doing certain things like vocational job sites, like they're getting to go to CVS, Walgreens, and work on their independence in that level. And then we have students that are working here with our staff every day trying to grow in a different vocational aspect. They're working on task boxes, they're working on first then schedules, the minimum hygiene. So you get to see students at different levels working all one together. And seeing them interact is great because you have students going out to different job sites, the CVS, and then you have students that are going out up to the Barkery, which is a job site that we have. And they interact on levels despite their different levels of ability, and it's really great to see the interactions every day between the students of different classrooms. I've worked with some students that at first I'm shy around and they're shy around me, and then by the time they're graduating I get to see them at a whole new light, a whole new independence level. They're a whole new adult, and it can be sad at times, but you get to see them grow and get to move on to the next level, and you just really appreciate that. And it's a job that you have compassion and empathy for young adults, and you really work hard to see them grow their independence and grow as a person.
The parents need to know that when their student comes to this program, they are surrounded by people who really, really care, who really want to see these young people succeed and try to do everything in their power to see that that happens.
I mean, go look at other transition programs and then come here. I mean, it's a great place, and yeah, I just can't, other places don't compare. I mean, they really don't. And I'm saying that from a mother with 3 autistic boys, and I've been to other places and they don't compare.